Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way and launching Logic with Neural Dsp ready. Open Logic, create a new project, and add an audio or software instrument track. Then insert the Neural Dsp plugin into that track's insert slot so you can monitor through the plugin. Once done, make sure your audio interface sample rate and buffer size match Logic settings. Mismatches cause latency or glitches. Finally, set input monitoring on and pick an appropriate preset as your starting point. Once the plugin is inserted, route your instrument into it. Record enable and turn on input monitoring so you hear the process signal. If you notice delay, toggle Logic's low latency mode or lower the I/O buffer to 64,256 samples. Make sure you balance CPU load and latency. Next, check gain staging inside Neural Dsp and in Logic's channel strip to prevent clipping. Also insert cab IR or Logic EQ after the amp block when you need tonal shaping. This keeps effects finish by recording with a metronome and doing multiple passes so you can comp the best performance. After tracking, use Logic's automation lanes to record parameter tweaks from Neural Dsp. This lets you change drive, cabinet mix, or reverb across sections without editing audio. When satisfied, either bounce in place to commit plugins or export stems at your project's sample rate and bit depth. If something breaks, check plugin compatibility. Rescan O plugins and restart Logic. That fixes most recognition or processing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.